MSGM stock analysis. It is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. This absolutely cooked on freaking Thursday. Motorsport Games stock, man, and sick performance. I mean, beforehand I was a big fan of this bearish perspective, and not only did that deliver, let's pull down here. Let me pull down. Yeah, this is beautiful. Like, I had a bearish idea, but obviously rules never got met, and this thing just kept pumping like a madman. Even if I okay, we're topping inside some supply zones. I'm saying that in a situation like this, I'm just looking to double down. I mean, when I say double down, that does not mean that I'm going to randomly get involved, like once we open up tomorrow, no. But what I'm saying is that, yes, if I see a pull downs on the 5-minute chart and there's that proper confirmation, yes, I'm further looking to take things up. But other than that, it's all freaking noise, pure noise. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.